two hands. And I have two hands that can go like this.
Hey, Ashton. Remember the guy last year I was telling you about?
Yeah.
My ex?
I'm making it look like it was on the news. Look. It
Hello?
looks like he's on the news.
Can I see it?
Back up. Hello?